Good day everyone. I'm here to talk about something that affects all of us, so the environment. Alam naman natin na ang kalikasan ay nagbibigay sa atin ng lahat ng kailangan natin. Malinis na hangin, tubig, pagkain at tirahan. Pero sadly, because of pollution, deforestation, and climate change, unti-unti itong nasisira. Now, the question is, what can we do? Hindi naman kailangan agad-agad ng sobrang laking effort. Small actions can create big changes. For example, simple act like segregating our waste, conversing water and electricity, planting trees, and saying no to single-use plastics. Kung Kung gagawin ng bawat isa sa atin, malaki ang magiging impact nito. Let's also remember, environmental advocacy is not just about being green. It's about protecting life, our life and the life of the nature of the future generations. Kaya importante na lahat tayo ay maging responsible stewards of nature. Hindi lang ito trabaho ng gobyerno o ng mga environmental groups, kundi trabaho ng bawat isa. So I am encouraging all of you, start today. Kung magtatapon ka ng basura, siguraduhin mong tama ang lalagyan. At kung mag at kung may pagkakataon, magtanim ng mga puno o halaman. There are simple steps, pero kung sabay-sabay nating gawin, mas magiging sustainable at mas healthy ang mundo natin. Together, let us be the voice of the environment. Remember, if we take care of nature, nature will take care of us.